Tēnei te mihi ki a koutou, whānau ora. Ko Ngāti Hāpuku taku ingoa, ko au te Ngāti Wai, me Ngāti Hine, ahau. Having these pictures up here is for me, not you. I always seem to find some clarity and calm in the reminder that I am the daughter of a fisherman. So COVID, the pandemic that placed the whole world into turmoil, leaving whānau in distress. The impacts continue today with the global financial strains, sickness and death. Here in Aotearoa, many of us in this room and in our organisations who aren't here have experienced the distress firsthand. Many of us in this room and in our organisations have toiled the front line from dusk till dawn. Distress has looked like panic. I mean, you remember what the supermarket shelves looked like. No more toilet paper. It looked like anxiety. It looked like loneliness. It looked like depression. It looked like job losses, sickness, and sometimes death. There were strained whānau relationships. That list goes on. I have the privilege of representing Te Ngira Collective. Kei a koutou? Oh, out there. And to show you a glimpse into the world in the Waikato Hauraki Maniapoto Raukawa since 2020. To celebrate a whānau ora response that offered our communities victory over COVID. Just a quick mihi to the tech team over there that were able to iron out the kinks so that we could view that video today. Tingita Collective celebrates today a whānau ora response that grew our awareness of tūmanakotanga and tūhono as providers. The need to strengthen relationships with each other and with extended members of the community. They came from all walks and corners of the motu in our response. We partnered with marae, with all the different community groups, schools, and even whānau to wrap ourselves around our community and reach their needs. I just want to take a minute to mihi to Dr. Kiri. Ka nui te mihi ki a koe for your insight, your foresight, really, your foresight and your insight. We celebrate you today. We celebrate Te Kaua Whānau Ora and the guiding influence of Ngā Pau. The Tingita Collective today celebrates the Whānau Ora Commissioning Agency, and we mihi to them for their service to us, for their support for us as providers. Because of your service, Tingita Collective was able to shift our focus really quickly to two very simple needs. Stay well, because we're the front line, and keep whānau safe. For us, keeping safe meant a whole lot of things. One of the first things we did was we isolated our vulnerable workforce. We separated all the tasks that everybody was responsible for, and the vulnerable workforce took care of those things from home, the things that they could, the business as usual stuff. Tingita acknowledges and celebrates the rangatahi and the leadership who stepped up and took the front line with both hands. 4 months they were packing hygiene boxes, distributing them, and distributing medications, much needed medications across the motu, and kai that was being donated from everywhere. Another video.
Kia ora koutou katoa, ka nui te mihi atu ki a koutou I tēnei rā. Ki a koutou waka, ngā mihi ki a koutou mō ngā mea whakaherihera mō ngā whānau haku iwi. Nā reira, tēnā koutou katoa. Thank you to the Whānau Ora Commissioning Agency for having the foresight to bring down these boxes of hygiene and sanitary products. And I've got to say, one thing that it's done for us here in the Waikato region, Hauraki, Raukawa and Maniapoto, is that it has helped us to build bridges and strengthen community ties. So nō reira, tēnā koutou katoa.
It's always lonely at the top. You can only rely on yourself. Set a great champion. Only moments before he fell, he cried. Many hands make the light work. Going solo
Awesome. Tingita Collective celebrates today a timeline of victories. These are the victories that were offered to our communities during their times of distress. It's not all of them, wasn't enough room on the slide, but it's the key things, the main things. And I'm sure that this picture represents the mahi that was done in your own collectives as well. So I mihi to the partners and mihi to the kaimahi. This is the mahi that was happening at work, at home, in isolation, when the whānau, our workforce that are vulnerable, were doing from home during that time. Tingita celebrates their mahi. We were still able to assess whānau, see where their needs fell, where their main needs were, and we were still able to help them achieve their aspirations, even though they were all lining up at the stores like the rest of us. They were comforted by the people that were working with them from home. You know, this is another video, but I can't play that because I've taken too much time. But it's a little clip about one of the rangatahi who was part of the unregulated workforce. All of our staff put their hands up to be trained. We partnered with the DHB and IMAC and got them all trained to be vaccinators, and that was to awhi our clinicians who couldn't cope. So just want to mihi to all of them for their mahi as well. And not all of that's, I love that, not all heroes wear capes. Well, they were wearing those capes, those yellow ones and the blue ones. Finally, the Tingita Collective celebrates today the whānau who volunteered their feedback for the efforts of this collective across the motu. Thank you, whānau, for your feedback. Thank you for your awhi, your service back to us in the times of stress for us. The donations of kai, the outpouring of letters that came, the emails, the Facebook messages, they came in droves, and they were so uplifting for the workforce as they continued to work. For the whānau that are online, I'm not sure how much of the detail you can see in these words, but you might get a copy of it, I'm not sure. But the words are beautiful, acknowledging all the whānau water workers, acknowledging that point of difference that is ours. We've changed the acronym by now, because what next for Tingita Collective? What next is, well, of course, COVID's here to stay. So Tingita celebrates the opportunities for vitality, investment and development. We will plan, reflect on all the learnings. We'll align ourselves in our reflections with all the po, and we'll deliberately look for those opportunities for improvement so that we can be better. Nō reira, ka nui te mihi ki a koutou.
We've got a present for you. We've got a little present for you.
Thank you.
Kia ora Nadine, we have a little taonga for you, presented from Amo Haere. E te whānau, ho mai te piki paki paki.
Ka mihi. Oh.
Oh, we're going to have a waiata.
Waiata tautoko, yay.
We need a guitarist.